Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D model of belt roller support in Autodesk Inventor. So let's get started with today's tutorial. First we will construct this base, then this part, the bracket, then the third part will be the bush, fourth will be the roller, and this the shaft. Okay, then we will assemble them in assembly. So let's get started with the base. So go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and create. Now go to 2D sketch, select the top face, rotate the view, go to rectangle command and take a 2-point center rectangle. From this center point, make a rectangle, dimension. The horizontal dimension here will be 120 mm and the vertical dimension of 72 mm. Okay. Now finish sketch, go to extrude command and make an extrude of 10 mm and OK. Now select the side edge, go to fillet and here take a radius of 10 mm edge and select all 4 edges, this, and rotate it. This is the last edge and OK. Now select this face, go to create sketch. Now go to point command and drag mouse over here. Now you can see this center point of this radius. Put point here. Similarly we'll do here. Put point here and drag it and point here. OK. Now finish sketch and we will select the hole command. Here we will take the type of hole will be tapped hole and seat will be no seat will be there. There are 3 types of seat: counter bore, spot face and countersink. The type here we will select isometric profile, size will be 12 mm and the depth of description will be M12 into 1.75. 1.75 is the thread of class 6H and here it will be through all. Depth also it is given. So due to points, the by default hole command select all the points and OK. Now you can see the cosmetic threads. Now select this top face, go to create sketch, select the rectangle. From this point, make one more rectangle, go to dimension. This width will be 50 mm. OK. Now finish sketch and go to extrude command. Here take a extrude of 3 mm and OK. Now select this front face, go to create sketch. Now go to line command, make a profile over here. This is the cut profile and close this. OK. Now go to dimension, select this point and this point. This total dimension will be of 56 and height will be of 3 mm and the angle between will be 45 degree. OK. Similarly here angle will be 45 degree. Now go to vertical constraint, select here. You can see the green point is the center point of this profile. Click on this green point. middle point also you can see, and here select this yellow. This yellow point is the middle point of this whole complete part. Okay, now this is fully constrained. Escape. Now select this yellow line and make it a construction geometry. This is just a reference profile. Finish sketch, go to extrude, flip the direction, or you can select here cut, and from here select all. So it is a through cut, and okay. Okay, now you can see from front. Now you can assign a color to it. From here you can take cyan, I will take. Okay, now finish sketch and we'll save it. Make a new folder for this. It will be assembly. I'll make it a short form, and here this will be base, and save it. Now we will make the second part, the bracket. Go to assembly, this part we will make. Okay, go to start, and here we will take we will first take the top plane and go to rectangle command. From this center point, make a rectangle over here. Go to dimensions. This dimension will be 35 and this height will be of 72. Okay, now go to fillet, and here give a fillet of 10 mm radius. Select this too. Okay, now finish sketch and extrude it up to 10 mm, and okay. Now select this face, go to create sketch, go to point command. Similarly, drag mouse over here and you can see the point, the center point, and center point over here. Finish sketch. Now go to hole command. Same hole profiles will be made, size of 12 mm and M12 into 1.75 through all depth, and okay. You can see from top face it's a through hole with threads. Now we will make this side top profile. So first select this face, go to create sketch, and from here select 2-point rectangle. From this point make a rectangle, dimension. This width will be of 5 mm and this of 4 mm. Okay, escape, drag it, go to coincident constraint, select this endpoint and select this line. Similarly, select this line and select this endpoint. Now this is fully constrained sketch. Select this line, make it a construction geometry, and finish sketch. Go to extrude command. We will take cut, and from here select all, and okay. It is a through cut. Now on this profile we will make this. So select this face, go to create sketch. From here take we will take circle command first. Make a circle here of dia 30, and from same center make a circle of dia 12. Okay, now go to vertical constraint, select this center point and select this center point. Now it is vertically aligned. Go to dimension. From this base This will be at a height of 50 mm, and go to line command, make one line over here and go to line once again and one line over here. Escape. Take the tangent constraint, select this line, select this circle, similarly select this line and select this circle. Now go to trim command to trim the extra portion. Trim this, this, this and this also. Okay. Go to line command and close the sketch till here. Now finish sketch and go to extrude command. Select this portion, flip the direction and give an extrude of 8 mm. Okay. Now from here select the sketch and activate it or make it visible. Go to extrude once again and this time select the circular profile. Here take extrude of we will take asymmetric extrude. This distance will be 5 mm and the opposite distance will be 8 mm. Okay, it will be till this face and we will take join and okay. Okay, now hide this, turn off the visibility. Now go to fillet and here take a radius of 15 mm. Select this edge, rotate the view and select this edge and okay. Okay, now we will make a rib over here. For that go to origin and select YZ plane and create sketch. Go to line command and make a line over here and touch here at the end point, the green point, and escape. Go to dimensions, select this line, take a vertical dimension of 40 mm. Okay, now finish sketch. Okay, make this yellow line as construction geometry. Okay, now finish sketch and we will select the rib command, take a thickness of 10 mm and for profile select this. Okay, now you can see the rib over here and okay, rotate it. So this is the profile. You can assign it a color. From here you can take yellow you can take. Okay, and save it as bracket CK and the folder will be same, the assembly folder, and save. Now take a new and take a standard part in millimeter, create. Now we will make a bush profile. We will make this bush, double click this, we will make this part. Okay, so go back to part 3, go to 2D sketch and select the front plane, the XY plane, and here go to line command, make a rough profile first, take this here and here. Okay, escape, make it a construction geometry, go to line and close the profile. Okay, escape, go to line command and here make a horizontal reference, escape, select this and make it a center line. Go to dimension, First, give the outer dimension as 30, the inner dimension here. Okay, take first the outer dimensions. This will be 24 and this dimension will be of 18 mm. Okay, now this total dimension will be 21. Okay, first give this dimension, go to dimension, give this dimension as 5 mm and this as skip. Okay, here give 21. Now by default this will be 16 mm. Escape. Now finish sketch and go to revolve. Now you can see revolve is automatically selected by selecting the center line and okay. For this bush we will give here a color. We will select the color as blue wall paint glossy and save it. Save it as bush. Okay. Go to home view. Now we will make the next part, the shaft. Go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and create. Go to 2D sketch, select the XY plane, go to line command. Here we will make first the half portion of the shaft, make rough sketch till here, join it. Escape. Go to dimensions. This dimension will be 40 and this will be 25 and the outermost dimension will be of 9 mm and this dimension will be 6 mm. Okay, now go to mirror and select this portion, go to mirror line and select this line, apply and done. Okay, now select this line and make it a construction geometry. Now from here select revolve and for axis select this line for rotation and OK. Now select this edge, go to fillet and take a radius of 1 mm, rotate the profile and select this edge, radius of 1 mm and OK. Now I want to make a hole in between. I'll show you assembly. In assembly, double click this and double click this shaft profile. You can see a hole is given. So for this, go to origin and select XY plane, create sketch and go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Now you can see the center point. Go to sketch, select the circle command. From this center point make a circle of 6 mm. Okay, finish and go to extrude. Here take a symmetric extrude, cut and here take all. So it will be a through cut. Go to visual style and change it to shaded with edges and OK. Similarly we will do a whole cut here. Select this face, go to create sketch, go to circle command. From this center point make a circle of 6 dia, go to 3D model, extrude, flip the direction or select here cut, take here a depth of 45 mm and OK. Now here assign a color. For color we will take red color. Again take blue, we have already taken. Here light red. Okay, now save it as shaft and okay. Now we are done with this. Now we will make the next part. Double click the assembly here. Now we will have made this part, shaft, bush. Now only the roller portion is left. Now for roller profile, go to new, take a standard part in millimeter, create. Now go to 2D sketch and here select XY plane and go to line command. First we will make half profile of roller. This here, this profile here till here. Escape. Go to extend and click on this line. Escape. Now this is a closed profile. Go to dimension and here the outermost dimension will be this point. From center point will be at 38 and the second point, this point will be 35. And this point will be of 15 mm from center, and this from center will be at 12 mm. This from center will be at 20 mm. Okay, now we are completed with the vertical profiles. Shift this, escape and drag it outward, drag it inside and drag it outward. So these are the vertical profiles. Now go to dimension. This profile will be 4 mm and go to vertical constraint, select this point and this point. Okay, now go to dimension. This horizontal dimension will be 13 mm and this horizontal dimension will be 20 mm. Now one dimension is left. Okay, this dimension from center point will be 33 mm. Okay, escape. Now I'll show you all the dimensions. This will be here, placed here, and drag it down. So this will be the whole complete dimensions for the roller. Now go to mirror, select this profile, go to mirror line, select this center line, apply and done. Okay, select this line and make it a reference geometry. Now go to line command, make a rough profile here, escape. Now go to coincident, select this point and select center point. Okay, escape. Now select this line and make it a center line. Finish sketch and go to revolve command. Now you can see automatically the sketch is selected and okay. Now we have to assign color to it. So we have taken here, I'll check smooth light orange. Okay, We'll give it here. Okay, this is the smooth light orange. Okay, now this is the final roller profile. Save it as roller. Save. Okay, now we will construct the final assembly. So go to new, take a standard assembly in millimeter, create, go to place. From here we will go to assembly folder which we have made. First we will place the base, open, place here and escape. I'll change the view to gray room and visual style to shaded with edges. Okay, now here you can see this base is moving. So to constrain it, open its origin, and this is origin of assembly. Open assembly origin, go to assemble, select constrain, select YZ and YZ plane of this base, apply, exit plane and exit plane. From here click on flush, apply, XY plane and XY plane of both and apply. Okay, go to edit and click back to mate and apply. Okay, now this is constrained. Now okay, front, rotate and select this. Okay, we will work in this phase or this position. Now go to place. Now we'll place the bracket, open, place one bracket, escape. Now to placement of bracket, first rotate it, go to free rotation. Now this will be the position to make it more clear. Now go to constraint, select this center line and select this center line. Go to aligned and apply. Similarly, select this center line, rotate the view and this center line. Apply. Now rotate the view and select this base of the bracket and select this top face here and apply. Okay, now this is done. Now we will call the bush, place, call the bush, open, place it here and escape. Now go to constraint, select this center line and center line by selecting the circle outer face, aligned and apply. Now to make the position, select this face, rotate the view and this face of bush and apply. Okay, now this is the half portion. Now we'll place the roller, go to place, select the roller, go to open and place it over here, escape. Now go to constraint, select this center line and select this center line, aligned and apply. Okay, escape. Now drag it here. We want the roller profile to be at the center. For that we'll select YZ plane and open roller origin and select here front plane. We have selected this YZ plane and for roller also we will select YZ plane. Okay, so go to constraint, select YZ plane of base and for roller also select YZ plane, apply. It is similar to vertical align. Now movement is constrained. Now we want this to both profiles over here also, the bush and the bracket. For that, go to mirror. This will mirror the components and select the bracket, rotate the view and this bush. Okay, now bush and bracket are selected. Now it will ask you the mirror plane. The mirror plane will be the visor plane. Okay, rotate the view. Now you can see the profiles over here also. Now here two things are there: mirror relationships. We'll click OK, and ground new part. The new parts will always be grounded, and next and OK. Now you can see these parts. Now we will assemble the shaft. So go to place, select the shaft, open, place it over here, scale. Go to constraint, select this face of shaft and this of roller, aligned, apply. Now select this face of shaft and here this face, flush, apply. Okay. Now the shaft will be slightly out from here as we have given hole also. Now we will place the bolts for assembly. For bolts, we will take the standard bolts, go to place, take place from content center, and from content center we have selected the socket bolt and we will take DIN 6912 and OK. Now just click on the inner face of this circle and place it over here. It will ask you to multiple drop as per on this face and OK. Similarly, select the center of this circle, OK, and multiple drops is on, OK, and escape. Now rotate it. You can see this is the complete profile. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a belt roller support in Autodesk Inventor by constructing first the child parts and then the assembly. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.